Your lucky bamboo looks the same for months? Let's fix that. Today I will share some science-backed hacks that can make your bamboo grow faster, greener, and healthier. Most people don't know these tricks, but after this video, you will. Rainwater hack. Let's start with the most underrated hack, rainwater. Now most people use filtered or distilled water for lucky bamboo, and that's fine. But here's why rainwater is on another level. Distilled water is pure H2O. It has zero minerals, which means your bamboo only gets hydration, but no nutritional boost. Filtered water removes chlorine and chemicals, which is good, but it still doesn't add anything extra. Rainwater, on the other hand, is naturally soft and slightly acidic, which matches what bamboo prefers. Even better, as raindrops fall, they absorb tiny amounts of nitrogen and carbon dioxide from the air. That forms a mild solution of nitrates and carbonic acid, basically a natural free fertilizer that boosts leaf growth and keeps the plant greener. That's why if you put your bamboo out in the rain for a few hours, you'll notice the leaves look fresher, shinier, happier, and the plant stands more upright. It's literally getting a nutrient shower, not just plain water. Liquid fertilizer or aloe vera. Second, feed it right. Lucky bamboo does not need much fertilizer, but a few drops of a liquid plant booster every month gives it nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for leaf and root development. Don't have fertilizer? Try aloe vera water. Aloe contains natural growth hormones like auxins and gibberellins that promotes greener leaves and faster cell growth and faster, healthier root growth. Switch to soil. Third, if you really want speed, switch from water to soil. In water, bamboo survives, but in soil, it thrives. Soil offers a stable root system, oxygen pockets, and a continuous supply of micronutrients. That means stronger stalks and faster leaf production compared to water-only growth. Fourth, let them breathe. Don't suffocate the stalks. If you arrange multiple bamboos together, tie them loosely. Tight bindings reduce airflow and trap moisture around the stems, which can cause fungal rot. A little breathing space keeps the plant's vascular system healthy and disease-free. Fifth, charcoal in water. If you're keeping it in water, drop a small piece of activated charcoal in the vase. Charcoal works like a natural filter. It absorbs impurities, keeps the water clear, prevents algae, and even balances pH. This means fewer water changes and stronger, cleaner roots. Propagate for a bushier look. Want that rich bushy bamboo look? Propagate it. Just cut a healthy stem below the node, root it in water, and then add it back with the others. Each new shoot not only fills out your arrangement but also triggers the mother stalk to produce side branches. The result, a fuller, more vibrant display. Seventh, loads of light. Give it lots of bright, indirect light. Lucky bamboo is a slow grower by nature, but light is the real accelerator. Under strong filtered light, photosynthesis runs at its peak, meaning more energy, more leaves, and faster growth. Keep it near a bright east-facing window. You'll notice the difference within weeks. And finally, the aquarium water hack. If you have a fish tank, use their water once in a while. It's packed with nitrogen-rich fish waste, which acts like a free organic fertilizer. This provides a slow, gentle nutrient boost that lucky bamboo loves. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.